You know, comparison by a share to ya dear woo you. Shen one found the am a compare will be a dear. Who bonkrume ye. Anybody who what ye, anybody who wants to win election in this country, if you disrespect Nkrumah, it will not be well with you.
Abusia Prophet Dr. Kofi Oduro Ababekasa. And you don't want Ababekasa. Kelvin Taylor so send you say or loud silence in program na oyeno or no so any Avram Ben Moshe at their boy needing din enya sim ketwakra. Sa videos na mesaka me de eba besomo na answer na me video ne ba besom me kai wo say e cake center na asoma sene a edi me di dwumadi e bro cake center say or de bosome ba ko asiwa or they try cake here any deco here and it is up so soon as any to cake open so soon as any about decoration I will be one a bekasa cake center na on show e bosome ba ko pe na wasun wi cake center able to dance man friend no e was 0554 640178 0554 640178 cake center say wa be di kan we ba no wo discount befu eda ho a o de e twen wonti free cake center na ko ekogentete afa busu ayenko yensam ne so a Prophet Dr. Kofi Oduro say na nyina enim se ka papa ide ono ogina ne simpie so na se obo nyame adwen a o kasa ka nyame adwen ne cha nyame ma no e ma nyame nsam no ewurawura ne ma no ho pa na Prophet Kofi Oduro ababe kasa na ne nsam ne nyina eye nsam a oka ede che NPP aban ene Dr. Bawumia na ne Kofi Oduro e che ne nyina ne se NPP fo o maso ma fofra enye Dr. Kwame Nkrumah eso enom de beko Kofi Oduro se MPP pese omufa abane de a ehu hia som de omo ho betoto Dr. Kwame Nkrumah se ne Dr. Kwame Nkrumah abaye obeye ye no Kofi Oduro se obi antimi enyibi
reported highways for akọ and you know comparison by a hwe to ye de awu ye o hwe no amfa wo de am compare obi ya de wo bonkruma din ye. Anybody who wants to win election in this country, if you disrespect Nkrumah, it will not be well with you. I'm telling you the truth and the fact very straight that you can't compare yourself to any work that Nkrumah did. Don't compare my feet and kind of Nkrumah did. I'm telling you. This one is a legacy to this nation. People see this guy like one of the angels that God gave this Let your work speak for you, not your bragging. I say, what the home beton Nkrumah. No, Nkrumah no need to pay. Nobody so far. From Second Republic, Third Republic, Fourth Republic. Nobody. Mimijina aka me ba na no 2 weeks ago. The Mimijina aka say, "Unnim nyansa kura no concrete road etu na kotari ayemfa ko tantare." Asoma me kan any 2 weeks. Joy News reported, City News reported, highways for akọ and one of the quota air patch. As well as I am doing some nyansa, but no, they didn't. Nim nyansa kurano. Said coin 2 near Tare. Me ju muta Ghana was off new. One ma me juma. Yen na idea dancers on for you may be unsure benza. Dear one ma me juma in any chidi me no. Dimenti asie de wo dwen e medical catch us say men found say we MPP and this men found mo party no menwene ho mo ma me hwe mo ma me aduane ni obi ya hwe me ena me nsuro mo
Abusia Prophet Dr. Kofi Oduro edi ensemi etu dwa no ena amanfo e kire se asa papa ni nsem na all kan or kasa out of bitterness bi asa pain bi ana bitterness bi na ode kasa fi say Prophet Kofi Oduro na yenim ne de yenim no se okanya me adwe de twanyame ma yenim ne se oye amanyosem intikebe yanko oji amanyosem no emfama ono abokere de Japan mo sande ha omo kasa yedim so mo de omo ya amanyofo na ka onhwe so no nyinya medwuma no if say senya ode ya e kasa no ase eye bitterness ntini MPP fo no aye no krampo no amafo che say Prophet Dr. Kofi Oduro ohu fi se wo hwa akwan a amanfo na kyerɛ sɛ MPP for aye na sɛ Kofi Oduro ɛka sɛ ɛyɛ toilet yie no ba be yi a ayɛ sɛ papa no ɛyɛ yaw ɛna ɔde kasa sɛ na wo so wadwen ɛtrabusua wei anso am yehu comment ɛwɔ saa asɛm hu afei yɛkɔ yanim no sɛnea nyina yɛnim sɛ nka Kelvin Taylor ɛne Avram Ben Moshe de nka mo mienu de kɔmo yɛ namfo pa a na nka ɔmo gora duru baabi kra Kelvin Taylor program no timi invite Avram Ben Moshe wɔ so ɛma ne ba ɛbɛkyerɛ na adwen na abusua obi nim ne akwakosi esan sɛ afi yɛ ba bɛto aba na kyɛda ɛde new force aba de nyina nim sɛ Avram Ben Moshe ɛyi nanim sɛ ɔbɛtae kyɛda akyi ɛno ɛna Kelvin ba bɛka asɛm bi de fa kyɛda ho a anyɛ Abraham de abusua sɛ na Kelvin ka asɛm
ɛne ntina na meka kyerɛ mo sɛ kyɛda yɛ krɔmfoɔ any young man be already 40 years and over or so supported cheddar with Jimmy in life and I waste. Cheddar Yakron for everybody knows he has not even been able to clear himself. He's a thief. Makan so many times I have spoken to Cheddar on phone. Mushela Mumusano. And why I am saying he's a thief. I want him to bring it up. Cheddar is a thief. Oyakron for. He's a liar in the first place. He's a dishonest guy. Now Cheddar Emedi president no the 50. Abua otunyine fujune. Kamoko dema na mo dum light na mo demo mo curtains na ayo fi na amonsesa no na mo te ho se na me dia asase so be 40 to 42 years mean to me $100 and to home me ba ansa na mewu and me pie na ka Bawumia enkora nyina da ne mmoa. These are things you think about. How am I going to change the lives of my kids? Kwasia mo twe mo kwete de se nwan mo te se mmoa ewia na mo de awifo achi se awifo no be create opportunity mamo. Na mo didi ma se nwan no na mo nim se mo behwe omo mo ankasa mo to mo dross nru 4 na wabetina bedwam be defend the cheddar ewisa no owo sika onko ye fuo. I will advise him to go put together the biggest farm in Ghana or to employ 70,000 youth in different kinds of farming. So see why ready so be Ghana or sika papa bi dawa ewi this money that is digital this sika digital way. He has no physical money anyway. So digital money way. Anyway, in a day, Obetuma Sorano Panada is 0.00. This fake criminal money this boy is parading in Ghana. Why do you think they are buying those archaic toys and telling you say it's a car? They cannot invest in anything better.
Abusia Kelvin eba beka nsem we echi no na Avram Ben Moshe so se na enyanim se Avram wo hoi ono na no ye den panti wo meka na asem na won fa wo hu ndi saa wo be ma muaye Avram so eba abonten eba ma Kelvin Taylor emuaye a ano ohyepa sei na Avram so kan nsem nisify.
Kelvin Taylor, you are not an example to the youth of this country. Whoa, you are not an example. A man for a program for comic relief. So we need one. Show me one thing you've done for this country called Ghana. Me two borehole at the ama abesewafo. What's your brochure na one no empenyini sam and some akese Kelvin Taylor. Me say me throw challenges amo enyumre. Also ye bema ye behwe. Me say you kwasia, you aboa, you were Jimmy Flynn logical reasoning ube dwane. After the member no didi member tem. Member Kelvin Taylor, I will never speak against your wife. I will never speak against your children. I will not follow you and speak against John Dramani Mahama. Sabe ya kwasia, me the attack never call John Mahama so. That is what you people do. Me nyasa kwasia dia na ya wo ye ni bida Kelvin Taylor. I am smarter. I am wiser than you. Kelvin Taylor, me oche me 2 hours e wo TV so. Joe Kelvin Taylor, I will never even grant you an interview on my TikTok page. You are dirty. When you fin, you are not an example to the youth. And I'm saying, Cheddar ye crown for mommy one proof I'm daring you. Give us one proof. The reason why Cheddar is a thief. Never be journey and easy. Number 2, where ye bear man, ye konto kwa. En kote to krom ni memasem bragana ni enfexe Ghana ube dwane se me ma wote se preku ampa ya wo me nko a me nya hunwie me ma ye nan magu bia ka ho na me nkyere wade ni Kevin maka kyere wadwini so a o kasa te sa abofra edu be se o kyere se NDC ni bia wawo bebre bia ne wagimi Kevin NDC party no ani wabusuem obi ene wa wawo nkoda bebre da be na awo ye bone me ya wo me nko a nti me nwuwie mɛkyerɛ wo nyansa rough.
Abusia, we a logical reasoning as someone Avram Ben Moshe, a catcher Kevin Taylor, and say, Enya Casa, and it's not TV so Casa, and I say, so come and see him a Casa Ombra, so ya be my Ombra wants no me face no more for logical reason in good form. Now, a month for cry air shake Kevin Taylor program now, or more for comic relief. A yampa, second Kevin Taylor no in the program now, where you know. A loud silence no a man for comic relief na my young so adventure e won semini beef here e course between Kevin Taylor and Avram Ben Moshe e bi ne mo kire say we Kelvin aka Avram aba ba muaye so Kelvin ba bonten no asan ba Avram emuaye se na enim no ana se so tro mienu ma ne hanan nti no ensem mienu na Avram Moshe aba bonten e de aba ba ma Kelvin na ma na ne su bre nti we de o ma bonten e bekasa na anu ba bi ne su or say yes, ye be as me, Ebequacusima, you won't so adventure our comments or answer and make out her. Too much G. Subscribe my page. Me, I don't want so I'm upload the baby on site. It's me. I can be able to see. I follow me so our Facebook. Too much GH mackerel.